Understanding COO versus CPO, how they shape project success. In the world of project management, you'll encounter various leadership roles that help steer the organization towards success. Two key roles often discussed are the Chief Operating Officer, COO, and the Chief Project Officer, CPO. Both are crucial for strategic decision-making, but they have distinct focuses and responsibilities. Let's break down the roles of COO and CPO and explore how they influence the success of an organization and its projects. What is a COO? The Chief Operating Officer, COO, is primarily responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of the company. They focus on operational efficiency, ensuring that the organization runs smoothly and meets its performance goals. COOs typically deal with Fact 1. Operations management, overseeing the efficiency of operations across all departments. 2. Process optimization, continuously improving business processes for cost saving and productivity. 3. Leadership and strategy. Execution, implementing the company's strategic goals through operational leadership. What is a CPO? The Chief Project Officer, CPO, on the other hand, focuses on the overall project strategy and ensures that projects align with business objectives. They oversee the project portfolio, making sure that each project contributes to the company's growth and success. Key responsibilities of a CPO include 1. Project portfolio management, aligning all projects with strategic business goals. 2. Resource allocation, ensuring that the right resources are available for the projects. 3. Risk management, identifying and mitigating project risks to ensure successful delivery. Key differences between COO and CPO. While both roles focus on leadership and strategy, they operate at different levels. The COO is more focused on the overall operations and ensuring the company runs efficiently. The CPO focuses on the management and execution of projects, making sure that all projects contribute to organizational objectives. Which role is right for you? If you are more focused on operational efficiency and managing company-wide processes, the COO role may align with your skills. If your passion lies in leading strategic projects and ensuring successful project outcomes, the CPO role might be a better fit. Key takeaways. Both the COO and CPO roles are integral to an organization's success, but they serve distinct purposes. The COO drives operational excellence, while the CPO ensures strategic alignment through project success. Both roles complement each other and, together, help an organization achieve its goals effectively.